Hello, I hope you all are having a lovely day. Welcome back to the channel. I am Sagrika Yadav, and in this video I have created this beautiful makeup look. That is, I did a full face of makeup using Swiss Beauty Cosmetics 2023 newly launched products, and we are going to try out whether they are worth the hype or not. That is, if they are worth your money or not. So no more, make sure you watch this video till the end and let's begin with the makeup. Hi! So let's begin with the makeup, and as I always say that skin prep is very important and so is your lip prep. So I want my lips to stay soft, moisturized and hydrated till the end of the makeup before applying lipstick. So I'm going to go for a lip balm. I have with me the Swiss Beauty Cosmetics Tint Me On Lip Balm, and these comes in 3 different variants. Packaging looks so pretty, very different from the usual lip balms that you see. I mean, Swiss Beauty has given the regular lip balms a luxurious twist, I would say, with this one. Let me swatch these lip balms for you guys. It has a beautiful sheer tint to it and looks very moisturizing, and this shade looks so pretty. So this was shade number 01, and we are going to try shade number 02. Wow. This is shade number 03. Wow. So I'm applying the shade number 03. The pigments are so pretty that you can completely just go with these lip balms and ditch your lipstick, especially for winters. So for the makeup, of course, the first step is going to be a primer, and I have with me the Swiss Beauty Real Makeup Base Highlighting Primer in the shade 01 Natural Tint. So I'll be taking a very tiny amount of this product, and a primer really helps to smoothen out the texture in your skin. And can you see the difference? Like, this is without the primer and this is with the primer, and you can see the beautiful shine and the luminosity that it has given to my skin. I mean, you can really mix this primer with your BB cream, with your foundation, to have that glow from within effect in your makeup base. So now that we are looking like a glow goddess, it's time to go in with the foundation. For that, I have the Swiss Beauty Airbrush Full Coverage Foundation. I have this in the shade 03 Nude Beige. But to blend the foundation and for the rest of the makeup, I have the most beautiful brush set. This is Swiss Beauty Cosmetics Professional Brush Set, which comes with face and eye brushes. I mean, it's so luxurious. It comes with a set of 6 brushes. So to apply the foundation, I'm going in with this foundation blender brush. It is F06. Since it's a full coverage foundation, we are going to start with the tiniest amount, a little cute dots like this. Let's go in with the brush. Before talking about the foundation, I would say that blender brush is so good. I mean, so beautifully it has blended the foundation. Bristles are so soft and there is literally no harsh lines using this brush. This might be a medium to high coverage foundation depending on your skin, but for me, you can see it has given a beautiful coverage and almost a skin-like finish to my face. Next, we are going in with everyone's favorite concealer. This is Swiss Beauty Liquid Concealer in the shade 03 Light Moyen. Shade really works well for me. It conceals but also brightens my under eye. It's a beautiful hydrating concealer, doesn't cake your makeup at all. It will not crease. To blend the concealer, I'm using their concealer brush F03. So the base makeup is done, and now we are going in with the Swiss Beauty Ultra Fine Finish Loose Powder. This is how the product looks like. The packaging is so luxurious, so pretty, as you can see. When you open this product, you get a mirror. I mean, to give a mirror in a loose powder is so thoughtful. So whenever you want to touch up on the go, you have a mirror to look into. So there is a protective cover, and beneath that you get the product. So I really like the idea of giving a protective film so that the powder doesn't spill everywhere, making this product very travel friendly also. So with this cute little puff, I'm going to set my under eyes with this translucent powder. It will set your base makeup, making it long lasting. And you can definitely see the difference that it has given a very nice blurred effect under my eyes. So our base is all set and it's time to add some colors. And for that, I'm going in with this beautiful palette. This is the Swiss Beauty Power Stage, the Royal Tribe 2D Eyeshadow Palette. This is one of the new launch of 2023 and I cannot wait to try this product. So it comes with a mirror, there is a protective film and 20 beautiful eyeshadow shades. This palette has such a beautiful mix of shimmers and matte. Using this palette, I can think of 10 different looks that you can create, like a brunch look, a office look, a party look, a day look, a night glam, and so many others. Going in with the shade Money over here. OMG, this is the prettiest golden shade I've seen. And you can see there was one swipe pigment only. Honestly, this palette is a must-have for your vanity. If you are someone who doesn't want to buy 10 different eyeshadow palettes for different looks, this is the one you should definitely go for. Today for my eyes, I'm going in with the shade Rich. And to apply the eyeshadow, I'm using the Swiss Beauty Eyeshadow Applicator Brush. To blend the eyeshadow, I'm taking their Eyeshadow Blender Brush F04. And it has created a very nice light transition for my eyeshadow. And now I'm going in with the shade Diamond. The pigment is so pretty, you guys. Talking about amazing eyeshadow palettes, we are going to build this eyeshadow even more. I have with me 3 beautiful recently launched pretty eyeshadow palettes. यानी कि आपको आपके जरूरत का कोई ना कोई eyeshadow palette तो पसंद आएगा ही. Firstly, I'm going to talk about their Passport eyeshadow palette. This is their 24x7 Passport eyeshadow palette in the variant Late Nights. It comes in 3 different variants, each containing 12 beautiful shades, and they have designed this palette in such a way that you can go from day to night using one palette only. It's a very nice on-the-go palette, very compact and travel friendly. Let's watch the shade and see how pigmented they are. Wow. So I'm picking up this beautiful brown shade over here. And we are going to apply it at the corner of the eyes. See how beautifully pigmented these are, and of course super blendable. Now let me show you how you can actually make this palette multi-purpose. So I'm using the Swiss Beauty highlighting and lash brush in the shade F07. So firstly, I'm going to use this pulley and brush my eyebrows in the desired shape. It's a very nice angle brush. So I'm picking up this black shade from here. And I'm going to fill my eyebrows using this one. And we have got the natural looking eyebrows. Now if you're looking for the ultimate eyeshadow palette which can fit even your tiny clutch as well, so let me show you this Swiss Beauty Lustre eyeshadow palette in the variant 02 Nude Addict. It comes in 2 matte and 2 shimmer shades. And I'm a fan of neutral eyeshadows, and this palette looks so pretty. Wow. I mean, the matte, the shimmers, all of them are so beautifully pigmented. You can go for day look, night look, or day to night look using this one beautiful compact eyeshadow palette. Isn't that amazing? I'm definitely carrying this one with me everywhere. I'll quickly do the same eyeshadow on the other side and come back. And how can we forget to talk about this beautiful eyeshadow palette? This is the Dual Passport eyeshadow palette for face and eyes. Comes with 2 different metallic eyeshadows and 2 different matte eyeshadows, 1 bold blush and 1 soft blush. Honestly, these metallic eyeshadows are looking so pretty. I'm very tempted to use them. And I'm picking up this shade right here. And we are going to use it to highlight our brow bone. Wow, can you see that pigment? And now we are going to use this Swiss Beauty compact brush and pick this beautiful blush shade right here. It's giving such a beautiful pink rosy cheeks. And honestly, I own so many Swiss Beauty eyeshadow palettes in my makeup kit, and you must have seen me using it in so many makeup tutorials, be it Navaratri, Diwali and so much more. And after trying them out, I can say that these recently launched eyeshadow palettes are definitely an upgrade to my makeup vanity. Another interesting product to try, it's a very different one. So I'm talking about their holographic eyeliners with the multi-chrome effect. Honestly, when I heard of this product, I instantly wanted to try them. It comes in 6 different beautiful shades, and let me swatch all of them for you guys. Beauty says that this product is actually waterproof, long lasting and also smudge proof. And look at the packaging, you guys. I've never seen an eyeliner packaging this pretty. This is shade 01 Milky Way. First of all, it glides so smoothly like a butter, and can you see the chrome effect in it? Honestly, this product can be your absolute game changer in the makeup. You can see it is shifting from purple to blue. Wow. Come up with a product like this which is also budget friendly, waterproof, smudge proof, and this pretty shift in the pigment. It's a beautiful multi-chrome eyeliners. I'm telling you, you are going to see me use these in many videos. This is something else that you should definitely get. Let me swatch the other 2 shades as well. It's a beautiful retractable eyeliner. You can use this as an eyeliner. You can use this as an eyeshadow. I am going crazy over how pretty these eyeliner looks. The pigment is just too pretty. You can see how pretty this looks on the eyes, and it has instantly elevated my eye makeup so much. And these products are actually smudge proof. For my cuties who cannot do without their kajal, I do have something for you. So we have the UNI Power Black Kajal. It's a smudge proof, waterproof, pointed applicator. Of course, we are going to do a swatch. The pigment is good, you guys. And wow, look at the pigment. And let's see if this kajal is smudge proof or not. Then yes, it is smudge proof. But for the days you want to go gaga over your blush, so I have another product with me, Cheek It Up blush with Jojoba Complex. It's a Lumi matte finish blush. It's a beautiful matte finish packaging. And you get a protective lid. And as you know, the cream products tend to dry up very quickly, especially stick blushes. And if you have a lid like this, then obviously it will prevent the drying. So this is very thoughtful. It is so beautiful and it was so smooth to apply. And of course, use the blush directly to apply it on the cheeks. I'm just picking up the product from here. And you can see the pigment that it has given. And honestly, if you want to do a very minimal winter makeup look, then this blush is definitely your way to go. Now it's time for the final step of the makeup, that is the lips. And for that, I have two amazing products with me. First up, I have their Hold Me Matte 24-hour liquid lipstick. And it's a neutral shade, so I'm so happy. Wow, it's such a beautiful nude shade. It's instantly my favorite. Love the applicator. It's a very nice angled applicator. So getting in the corners and applying the lipstick is so easy with an applicator like this. If you guys have been watching me, you know how much I love nude lipsticks, and this one is honestly a new favorite one, I would say. Lipstick is pretty, but the winters are for glossy lips. So I have the recently launched Plump Up Wet Lip Gloss. I have this in two different shades, shade 01 Barely There and shade 02 Caramel Crush. And I want to try the shade 02 Caramel Crush on my nude lipstick. Gloss has beautiful sheer tint to it. It has instantly made my lips look so expensive, so juicy. Let me swatch another shade as well for you guys. This is Barely There. And it's a beautiful gloss with a very sheer tint to it. So this was it for the video. I enjoyed creating this makeup look for you guys. And yes, their 2023 launches are so worth the hype. So many of the products became my instant favorite. And I hope you add all of these products in your vanity as well before they get sold out. All of these products will be linked below. And check Swiss Beauty Cosmetics website for some amazing offers and discounts. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. See you guys in my next video.